Meantime, in the Gulf Coast, folks, they're trying to recover from Ida and its impact, and it's going to be a while, isn't it, Dave?
Yeah, it'll be a while, and the storm continues to move away, and eventually that'll try to slightly impact our weather here. We have showers and storms developing here across the area. For the most part, they've worked their way to the interior, but the breeze is light enough where a few showers continue to develop in the inland metro areas. For the most part, this cluster of storms staying inland. Outflow is triggering a little activity here in parts of Miami-Dade. Doral is shower just developed. Few lightning strikes with that, but it dies down. These do not last long. They just pop up and then they diminish. But we'll keep an eye on this. It'll drift south there towards the Dolphin Expressway. Little activity inland Broward near Southwest Ranches, just south of there around Pembroke Pines. This is on either side of 75. And what activity was up in northern Broward has pretty much cleared. So this is the area to watch with lightning strikes. Computer forecast picks this up as well. Notice it tries to push it into the metro areas here right now, and then maybe over the next hour or two could see a few showers lingering pretty much where we see the activity right now. The thing is, it doesn't last overnight tonight. It is all quiet. So after about 9-10 o'clock tonight, just expect a warm and muggy night. Not much developing tomorrow morning with the computer forecast, but tomorrow afternoon, that could be a different story. Building clouds off in the distance there. Those are the storms that we're tracking on radar. Upper 80s right now. Miami, Fort Lauderdale, and Key West will drop down to 80. Inland storms will end tonight with a light breeze. Warm and muggy like it's been the last few nights. Tropical depression Ida there over Mississippi, but now it's the rain that's going through Tennessee. A lot of rain last weekend there. A lot of rain from Henri, and this is putting it right on top of that. So we have flash flood watches going all the way to the East Coast. That is by Thursday at 6 p.m. Now, as that transitions to a non-tropical system here, we'll see our wind direction change just a bit. We have that moisture tail feeding into that. Ahead of that, some Saharan dust, so a little haze in the sky, limiting the showers just a bit tomorrow. But by the end of the week, the moisture moves in and our breeze is out of the southwest, and that means our showers and storms develop here along the East Coast. We're starting to see a hint of that tomorrow. Computer forecast shows the activity developing and not moving over towards the Gulf Coast, but a bit of a south to southwest breeze tries to develop, and that keeps the activity here over the East Coast tomorrow afternoon and evening. Tropics, we're continuing to watch a low development potential. We have a tropical storm, Kate, that formed. Julian formed over the weekend and has since cleared out. This could become Larry here, but that's well out over the Atlantic for now. We'll keep an eye on it. 92 with storms developing. They linger along the East Coast tomorrow. On the water here, northeast wind to south at 5 knots, 2-foot seas. Smooth on those back bays there, so light breeze there for the boaters. Hot sun with haze Tuesday and Wednesday, but then the storms increase by the end of the week.